Here I've got ZOPO Speed 7 and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Now scroll down, find and pick Backup and Reset, and here simply click on Backup My Data over here. Now it's time to create the backup account, so simply click on the second tab, which is Backup Account, and tap on plus to add the account. Wait a short while. And now you can log in with your Gmail account, or you can create a new one if you don't have it. So let me enter my email address. It's HardReset.Info 1@gmail.com. Tap on next. And then enter the password. Just let me show you if you will be typing it. You can click on eye icon to see what you are typing. So give me a sec. And here it is. And then click on next. Wait a couple of seconds and now you can come along with all the terms of service and Google Play terms of policy. So simply tap on, for example, privacy policy, and come along with the documents. You have to agree with them. So just read them and then click on I agree, obviously if you do. And now, as you can see, backup your device's app, data settings and Wi-Fi password using your Google account is active. So click on next and that's it. From now on, all the data on your phone will be backed to Google. So this is how you can create and use your Google account. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.